Hello, good morning to ladies and gentlemen. Today I will teach you how to open a speech contest before you get to the topic. How to introduce yourself in English for the communities. So this is the best way before you get into the topic. How you act, how you introduce yourself first. So there are many ways to introduce yourself, but this is the best way that I have done before. So today you have to say, before get into the topic, you have to say, good morning to ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm very happy to see all of you here. Before getting to the topic, I would like to say thank you very much to the committees, ladies and gentlemen, for this opportunity for me to share my ideas on the topic. My name is, what is your name? You have to put it in here. My name is Cherry. I am from where? Where are you from? You have to put it here. For example, my name is Cherry. I am from Thailand. How old are you? You have to say, put your age here. I am 15 years old, or I am 20 years old. My name is Cherry. I am from Thailand. I am 20 years old. I'm very happy to share my idea on the topic. The topic is why is English important? So this is the best way to introduce yourself before you get into the topic. Start again, one more round. Good morning to ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm very happy to see all of you. Before getting to the topic, I would like to say thank you very much to committees, ladies and gentlemen, for this opportunity. My name is, what's your name? My name is Cherry. I am from Thailand. I am 20 years old. I'm very proud, or you have to say, I'm very happy to share my idea on the topic. The topic is why is English important? So this is the opening. Okay, guys, here coming to the end. How to close your speech contest? And you have to say, finally, my opinion is coming to the end. But before I end up my ideas, I would like to say thank you very much to the audience committees for your attention. I hope next time I can share more than this. Thank you very much. You can say like this, it's okay. This is the closing topic or closing your speech contest when you do it. So there are many ways to close, but this is the best way and the short one that you have to say. If you don't say anything and you just stop and run away, no, you cannot pass your speech contest. Even though you cannot share very much in the middle, but your opening is good, your closing is good, it's very good.